is up, my beautiful babes and games of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video. Now, today I actually recorded 2 videos, but I didn't like how the first one went. So we're gonna record another video. And if you also, before I get this video started, if you hear background noise, I decided to record at night when everybody was home because I recorded during the daytime when everybody was at school. But again, I didn't like the video, so they're gonna be out there making noise. They're watching The Flash. And then I have 2 visitors. My sister is in the background. Y'all already met her. And then I have my little baby cousin. She's also in the background. So if you hear little baby noises, it's gonna be her. If you hear like stumping and stuff, it's probably gonna be her. If you hear grown people, those are teenagers and they're making a lot of noise. So with that being said, I'm gonna get into this video. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my face with my Milani Prime Perfection and the Prime Light. I use the Prime Perfection for my dry areas, and I use the Prime Light to give me that extra highlight. Alright, so now that my face is primed, we're going to move on to our eye look. Now, before you start this look, I advise you to have really clean skin. I was over here scrubbing my skin with my makeup wipes to make sure that all the excess dirt was off of my skin and everything like that. So I advise you to go ahead and clean your face really, really well, because we're going to be doing a really light look. So I'm just going to go into my Afrique palette by Julia. I'm going to take Cameroon here, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. I've already primed my eyeshadow from concealing my eyebrows, so there's already primer on there. Now with this look, since we are creating a skeleton, I do not advise you to be neat. Skeletons are like neat yet sloppy, so we're going to go for that neat yet sloppy look. So now I'm just going to go into the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to add, I want to get the actual name of the shade. This is Black Magic. I'm going to go add Black Magic all over that, or into my crease first, and then we're going to go back and add it all over the eye. So now I'm just going to go in with a compacted brush. I'm going to continue the same, with the same shade. I'm going to continue with Black Magic, and I'm just going to pat in those areas that don't have black already on them. Back in with Cameroon and clean it up some. So now we're going to move on to foundation. We're going to do like a light coverage, not a light coverage foundation, but we're not going to do the whole glitz and glams of the face routine. We're just going to do foundation and then setting powder. So I'm taking my Milani foundation. It's the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I am in the shade 9, which is also tan. Ooh, this is a mess. But yeah, I'm in the shade 9 or tan. Y'all, I don't know what this smells like, but it smells good. Like, it smells like something sweet. Let me see. I don't know. But it's water resistant and sweat proof, so yeah, this would be a good look for Halloween if you wanted to use that foundation. So now I'm just going to set the face with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is a naturally neutral, I believe. I just want this to be matte. And before anyone says anything, yes, I know I am lighter than this part. With this powder, I want heavy because I want it to look like I am dead because I am a skeleton. So now we're just gonna go back and sweep underneath the eye with the Black Magic shade, and then we're gonna go in with an eyeliner pencil and just tight line the waterline and the bottom lash line. Now you want to go kind of heavy with this. You don't want it to be too neat or anything like that because you want to look like your eyes are sunken in and you don't have an eyeball anymore. So you want to go really heavy, but also try to be, you know, don't be sloppy with it, but go heavy. Alright, so now I'm just going to take Cameroon again and I'm just going to smudge it out to make it blend easier. So now I'm just going to take some eyeliner and I'm going to attempt to draw the nose. So now I'm just drawing and filling it in as we go. Alright, so now we're just going to mattify this down because we don't want any shine on the nose. We're going to take Black Magic again and just mattify it. Alright, so now that we have the nose done, my sister said I should add glitter. I'm not going to add the actual glitter, but like a glitter color. So the shade right next to this one, or right next to Black Magic, is called Sultry Waves. I'm going to add that over the eyes just because, no, why not? Okay, so now that we have put the purple glitter, thank you, Tamara. Now that we've put the purple glitter over our eyes, it is time to start doing this face. So, I'm going to go in and contour like, I don't know, a skeleton. But first I'm going to add the Black Magic. I'm going to outline where the contour is going to be with the Black Magic. So now I am just going to add Cameroon under that, under the Black Magic, and on top of it, and try to like blend them together. to create the dimension. So now I'm just going to take my contour from the True Complexion palette and I'm just going to go into the sculpting shade. And I'm just going to continue to sculpt out this cheek. And to sculpt this out, I'm honestly just using the contouring brush by e.l.f. I like using this because it actually draws the lines and contours for you. You don't really have much to do. I'm just going to go back in with the eyeliner again and start drawing the teeth and mouth. Alright, so before I actually go back in and use or draw the teeth and mouth, I'm going to take the shade Kissy in the Afri palette and I'm just going to put that over my lips because I have bright pink lips, as you can see, and Skeletons do not. So now I'm just going to go back in with Black Magic and do a little bit of shading on an angled brush with these teeth. Try to resemble actual teeth. I don't know if I'm going to succeed. We shall see. Alright, so this is honestly all you need. Kind of messed it up, but whatever. So now I'm just going to shade underneath the chin with the Black Magic, and I'm also going to take Cameroon and shade as well. So now I'm just going to try to give myself more of an angry expression. So I'm just going to contour around my eyebrows with Black Magic and Cameroon. Alright, so I know I'm all over the place, but I actually want to put lashes on. I'm going to add my DODOLASHES. If you want to save money off, use code Itskeilynnn. These are in the style D115. These just got shipped to me. This was the one I was supposed to use the first time for the affiliate program, since I am an affiliate. But I bought my own as well, so I used those. But these are in the shade, or the style D115, and I think these are just lovely, and it would be lovely for this look. So, shop DODOLASHES and use the code Itskeilynnn to save money off your purchase. Okay, now that I have those lashes on and it looks, did you see how it looks, y'all? I don't know I did that, but I'm happy. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the last bit of contouring, which is on the temples, because Skeletons this part is sunken in. So I'm just going to take first I'm going to take the Black Radiance and just contour that a bit, and then I'm going to go back in with the Black Magic and Cameroon. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. If you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, turn on your bell notification so you can see the next time I post. Honestly, this look came out 1,000 times better than I thought it was going to come out, because I can draw, but I haven't done it in so long, so I thought it was going to be like really bad. But this actually came out it's a decent look, is what I'm trying to say. If you guys want to be my boo of the week, like you saw I did in the last video with Samara, if you guys want to be my boo of the week, don't forget to, you can either DM me on Instagram, you can comment down below, or you can just spam it. I'll get it somehow. And I will feature you in my next video. I'll give you guys a shout out. So I will leave all my social media links down below. Stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.